Let me say this clearly from the start. Women are not as complicated as most men believe. The confusion comes from not understanding how their emotions and mindset actually work. Once you understand that, everything changes. Attraction is not about looks, money, or trying too hard to be nice. It is about awareness. It is about knowing how her mind responds to certain behaviors. In this video, we are breaking down powerful psychological patterns that most men ignore. This is not about tricks or manipulation. It is about understanding human behavior. When you understand these patterns, you stop chasing, you start attracting. And that shift alone changes how women respond to you in ways you may not expect. The first thing you need to understand is this: stop focusing only on her appearance. Most men do the same thing. They compliment her looks immediately, but she hears that all the time. It does not stand out. Instead, notice her thoughts. Notice how she speaks. When you appreciate her mindset, it creates a deeper impact. When you recognize her intelligence or her perspective, she feels seen in a different way. That feeling is rare. It creates curiosity and makes her want your attention more because now you are not like everyone else. You are engaging with something deeper, and that difference matters more than surface-level compliments. The second thing is learning when to step back. Most men move closer when they feel a woman showing interest, but constant presence removes excitement. When you create a little space, it builds curiosity. That curiosity makes her think about you more than your constant presence ever could. You do not need to disappear completely. Just avoid being predictable. When you control your availability, you control the pace. That control creates value because your attention feels earned, not automatic, and that changes how she sees you over time. The third thing is subtle competition. Human nature responds to value. When others show interest in you, it increases your perceived worth. This is not about showing off. It is about naturally being someone others enjoy being around. That social energy creates attraction without effort. When she notices that others appreciate your presence, it shifts how she views you. It creates awareness and makes her pay attention in a different way. The fourth thing is independence. A man who can walk away at any time carries a different energy, not because he wants to leave, but because he knows he can. That confidence shows strength. It shows that he values himself, and that value becomes attractive. When you are not dependent, your behavior changes. You stop overthinking. You stop trying too hard. You remain calm, and that calmness creates respect because your presence feels stable instead of desperate. The fifth thing is unpredictability. Routine behavior becomes easy to understand, and when something becomes predictable, it loses excitement. Small changes in how you respond, how you speak, or how you act can create curiosity. That curiosity keeps attention alive. This does not mean being inconsistent. It means avoiding repetition. When your behavior is not always the same, it keeps things interesting and creates emotional movement that keeps her engaged. The sixth thing is emotional balance. Many men react quickly based on feelings in the moment, but emotional control creates strength. When you stay calm, even in situations that could trigger a reaction, it shows maturity. This balance creates stability. It makes your presence feel safe, and safety builds trust. At the same time, your calm energy creates curiosity because you are observing instead of reacting. The seventh thing is attention control. Giving too much attention reduces its value, but giving attention at the right moments increases its impact. When you create moments of connection and then step back, it creates contrast. That contrast makes your presence memorable. It makes her think about those moments, and that thinking builds emotional connection naturally. At the end of the day, this is not about changing who you are. It is about understanding how your actions affect perception. When you become aware of these patterns, you stop making mistakes that push people away. You become more intentional, more focused, and more in control. That control changes everything because now you are not reacting to situations, you are leading them. So remember this: attraction is not built on effort alone. It is built on awareness. When you understand that, you stop chasing outcomes and start creating them naturally, without force.